Hey guys, it's Arena. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So for today's video, I have a YESSTYLE haul for you guys. So I recently went a little bit crazy on YESSTYLE, so I thought that I would do a little haul for you. I do also have a code, which is just my Instagram name, ARENNAA, if you wanted to purchase any of these items. I'll probably try and insert clips of everything. I got this little brown beret. I've wanted a beret for like the longest time, and I wanted like a beige. I thought that I got like the beige color, but this looks more like a brown coffee color. I'm wearing clips so I can't wear it properly, but it's just like that. I'll insert clips of me wearing all the items, but this, and I'll also probably link them down below as well. But this is just a cute brown beret. I also picked up this white top. Thought it was just really cute, and I wanted like a nice white top that had detail on it, so it wasn't like just a plain white top. I think I got this in a medium. Oh, it's a small. Hopefully it fits me. Sometimes when I buy things online I get a bit scared, especially with YESSTYLE. Things tend to run a little bit smaller, and I actually do have a bit of a chest, so sometimes I feel like I always try to go up in my t-shirts. But so this top is like made of like a really thin material, and honestly it's a little bit more low than I would like it, but I reckon the clasp detail is really cute. As you can tell, it's like really thin, so you're probably gonna need to wear like some nipple covers or something with it. The puffy sleeves add like a really cute detail. I also purchased these pants, and I've been after a nice pair of beige, oh, I think these are shorts actually. I have been after a nice pair of beige shorts for the longest time, so hopefully these would be a nice pair. So just like that. They have an elastic waistband. They really need an ironing. Smell okay. I feel like the quality of YESSTYLE clothing isn't that bad for the price to me. But yeah, this is like a nice cargo-y kind of texture. It's like thin denim. And I love elastic band pants just because they like hug the waist and they're comfortable to put like on and off because they just mold to your body. And I bought these pair of pants. I got these in a medium because I feel like my waist is like a size 8, which is normally like a medium size. And I've wanted a pair of checkered trousers for the longest time. So these ones have like a lot of really nice colors in them. So there's like a bluey, a red, and like a yellow print, which is really cute. They're like quite nice material as well. And I also got, I think I got 2 tops. I honestly don't really remember what I bought, so you guys, this is a surprise for me too. I got another crochet top. Hopefully this fits me. This looks a bit small. There's padding in it, which I'm not the biggest fan of. This actually looks really small. If it doesn't fit me, I normally just give it to my sister because she's like smaller than me. This one, it's a bit strange. It's really cute though, so hopefully it does fit, but it looks really small. Hopefully it looks cuter on than it does like this, because it looks a bit weird right now. So as I thought, I don't think this top is going to fit me because as you can tell, it is running a little tight. I can't even get the sleeves on, so I'll probably let my sister try it on and I'll have like a clip of her wearing it. But like this needs to be like buttoned, and I don't see a chance in that happening. Like it already feels so freaking tight. I think this top is a no-go for me. If you do really like it, which I kind of do, it's really cute. I feel like you'd have to go up in a size, especially if you're like a little bit more busty, or like you normally run like a size M, because I feel like I can get away with small and loose, like in things that are stretchy, but when they're like tight fitting, I always have to go up a size. So this one definitely doesn't fit me. It is way too small. Like I can get it on, but I can't button up the middle. I also got this. Low-key feels like the material that like nurses wear, like scrubs, but I don't actually like really know what that material feels like, but I feel like I would imagine it to feel like this. But it's this nice light blue top. It has like a slight v-neck. Hopefully it's not too deep because I don't really like them deep. This actually looks pretty big, but it'll probably fit me. like really thin material though, which I guess is kind of good because in the summer you don't want it to be too thick. I really need to iron it out though because it's like full wrinkly. But I like the color, it's nice, like a nice, I've been really into blue for the summer. I also got this dress in the blue. Hopefully it looks nice because I wanted like one of these really cute like long dresses for the longest time because I don't have any nice long dresses. All my dresses are short because in high school I loved short dresses, but I wanted to start wearing like really cute long ones. So I purchased this one. It's more of like a conservative kind of like old retro vibe, like buttons down the middle. This material is like really nice and thin as well. Like I feel like it'd be great for summer. But this also needs to be like wrinkled out because it is got so much creasing in it. But hopefully it sort of fits me. It's super cute. I really like it. Hopefully it's not too like deep because I don't really like tops that have too plunging of a neckline. So I swear I got like a thin white top, but I can't find it. My sister got this from AliExpress, but I thought I would include it in this video anyways because it's really cute. She purchased like a beigey cream color one of these and I really liked it, so she decided to get another one in like this really cute green. I actually love the cut of this knit cardigan. It's like a cropped cardigan, green with like buttons down the middle, like the nice big ones. And then it has like a really nice ribbing along the neckline and also like the sleeves and just down on the bottom. I feel like it sits so nicely on the body and it's such nice material. So yeah, she bought another one of these and I can't wait to wear it because I really liked the cream colored one. I think this is the last item that I got. Oh yeah, I think the white top that I was talking about is in this. Ugh. So I got this white singlet top. Hopefully it's not too see-through, but I can just wear like a bra with it. But it's like this really cute white singlet that's like frilly. And then this is the front, I'm pretty sure, but it has like a crossing, but I have to put it in myself. So I will do that and then insert a clip of me wearing it. But I liked it because they said that you could wear it like both ways, like front and back. So the front with the cute like crossover stringy thingy mabob, and then the back that's just like the cute frills at the top. So hopefully that one's nice. But yay, I got this as well, which is like a little bit of like nail art, like fruit nail art. But I honestly kind of just brought it to do makeup looks with it because I thought that they were really cute. There's like strawberries, apples, like dragon fruit, kiwi, like oranges, like really random kind of fruit slices. But I thought it was really cute and I wanted to do like, yeah, some makeup looks with it. Maybe I'll use it for my nails, but I never really do my nails unless I go get them done. So I feel like it kind of defeats the purpose. But I can't wait to play around with those. So the rest is jewelry because I cannot help and buy jewelry. I freaking love earrings and necklaces. I got this really nice star moon necklace, and then the star goes inside and just like dangles down. I thought it was really cute, don't you think? Like, really nice. I'd probably wear it like a choker, so like a little bit higher, and then let the star dangle down. I didn't think it would be that long. I think I can adjust it from the back to make it a little bit shorter, but it'll probably still be pretty long. I love anything that's like crescents, moons and stars. It's like my favorite thing. So I have like so much star and moon jewelry, but I cannot get enough of it. So there's that necklace. I also got some pretty extra kind of earrings because I like the simple earrings, but I always love a good statement. I love a good statement earring, and I feel like I'm going through that phase where I really like big dramatic earrings. These ones are probably like the most simple ones that I brought. But they're kind of just like these little triangles with a reef plant thingy down the middle of them. So it kind of just looks like this. So there's like a little plant and like a marble ball. I thought these ones are like a cute dainty kind of earrings. They're like pretty simple. I feel like they would go with like a lot of things. Oh, I was really excited for these because I thought they were the cutest thing ever. But it is these grape earrings. Oh my god, how adorable. You're gonna see these in like one of my videos because I cannot wait to wear these. They're so cute. I love big chunky like earrings, especially like fruit or like item like objects. I just think they're so adorable. And these are such a nice like fruit looking one. They're not just like a picture. It's actually like little demi balls. I just thought it was so cute, so I had to get it. Love that. Next items that I got were these cute little heart earrings. So they're like a small heart and then there's like a rose in the middle and then it drops down into like a teardrop crystal thing. And I just thought that these were really cool. And like, yeah, as I was saying, I'm starting to get really into like dramatic shiny earrings, which I don't know when that started happening because I used to wear really simple ones, but now I'm all like crystals, sparkles, love all that kind of shit. So hopefully these ones look nice. I kind of thought that they would be bigger, but this is like a nice dainty size for me, so I like them. They're cute. These ones are probably like the most dramatic ones that I bought, and these are the last pair of earrings that I got, but like I thought they were so nice. So they're these ones, and once again they're like the moon and the stars, and these ones are so like dramatic, shiny and like crystally. Obviously it's like fake, but I just like the way they look. Like I just think that they look so nice and they add to every outfit because they're so much of a statement. So I'm really happy with these. So that's the end of my YESSTYLE haul. If you do like any of these pieces, you can use my code ARENNA to save a little bit of cash. But if you do want to see any more videos like this, please let me know. Leave it in the description below, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!